All right, we're here where the storm's coming through early this morning on our Renaissance cam. You can see the greatly reduced visibility and, of course, the severe wind gusts we had in the area. I've got a write-up on this wind event we had this morning on the blog right now. But other than a few showers today, it's improved somewhat. And thankfully, all the storms formed south of the track for the Indy 500. That was the good news to see. A couple isolated showers this evening as the cold front goes through. Then some patchy fog developing by 11 o'clock and some patchy dense fog into the very early morning hours of tomorrow with 58, and then increasing clouds as our front begins to move back northward. And as that front moves back northward, we'll see some more storms tomorrow. But right now the cold front's coming through. Just a few spotty showers around, working southeastward, a few down here in the southern part of Tippecanoe County, a couple up around Burnettsville, headed for Logansport. These are all dropping to the southeast after this band where you see the greens, especially the bright greens. Boy, 1 to 2 inches of rainfall this morning. A lot of variability, but where you see these greens, that's where the heaviest rainfall occurred with that line of storms this morning. Low to mid-50s northeast to 61 at Covington for the low tonight. And for Memorial Day, increasing clouds in the morning. Warm front lifts northward, a few isolated storms midday to early afternoon, and then perhaps a boa storms coming through between 4 and 8 o'clock tomorrow evening, with highs upper 70s to upper 80s in the south since the warm front's lifting northward. And with that, slight risk of severe weather between 4 and 8 p.m. on Memorial Day. Main threat is wind, but where this boa storms kind of intersects the warm front, can't rule out a brief isolated tornado. But we dry out Tuesday, breezy, warm, humid. Highs 84 to 89 with heat indices around 90 to the mid-90s with a mix of sun and clouds after a muggy start to the day. Now, there is a risk of some severe weather Tuesday night and Wednesday. A couple rounds of storms come through. Marginal risk, isolated severe wind gusts possible. Here's Weather Team 18 Precision Cast. Here comes the warm front lifting northward. A couple isolated storms midday to early afternoon. Then between 4 and 8, this little bow of storms will likely move southeastward through the viewing area right along the warm front, with mainly a wind threat, but perhaps an isolated brief tornado. And then by 8:30, it's gone. Couple storms may linger tomorrow night. Otherwise, we're dry Tuesday, and then we watch for some more storms Tuesday, Wednesday. But from now to Wednesday, not the best news. Anywhere from 8/10 to as much as 2.5 inches of rain. Viewing area wide, another soaker. After some farmers got a little patchy field work done early last week, everybody's very wet again. So nighttime to Wednesday storms, Tuesday, Wednesday, isolated shower Thursday. Then we dry out, followed by more storms and severe weather risk on Sunday. Active pattern, not a lot of completely dry days there.
Perfect. Well, thanks so much, Chad.
Sure.
Well, like you said, it was a pretty dry day.